Hi, my name is Hosna Bakshi and my student number is 301194192. The subject name is Unix Linux and the title is Apache, installing the Apache. Okay, I'm moving to the Kali to do like the, so I'm moving here for the first step. I'm gonna use the sudo install apt install Apache, install Apache 2 -y. So I'm gonna use my password for this. It's done. Now I have to check the service. First I have to start it. Then I'm gonna check the status. It's active and running. Control-C to exit. For the question number 2, I'm going to use the sudo a2 this one. Then I'm gonna service Apache, to restart. Next, my password. Okay. Then I'm gonna use the cat command. etc Apache 2. Mark and enable this one, so it's public. Then I'm gonna click layer and I'm going to make my public HTML. It's already there. I'm gonna go to my public HTML. So under this one, I'm going to my HTML. It's already there. Gonna exit this one. Okay, when I go to here, so it's here, my page is there. I'm gonna back, here. So for the other question, okay, I'm already there. Use the sudo apt get install get it. Okay, then I have to use the get it to do my HT access. So this is the information. So I changed the path to Apache 2. It's there. When I do the ls-a, so my HT access is there. For the question number 6, I'm going to use sudo nano etc Apache 2 sites available on default. Okay, so here I changed the none to autofake in here. So Control-X to exit. see TC Apache 2. And then -a. It's the password there, everything is there. I'm going to restart service Apache 2. Restart. Oh, then this is done. This was the process for installing the Apache 2. Hi ma'am, I made my video in this one in Camtasia, but I think I can't export it because I already exported my 2 videos because I was using the free trial. I think I'm done. I can't download this one. I can't put it into YouTube. That's why I used my phone to record that one. So I hope it works.